Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Alex. I'm owner of Smith's Signature Prints, where we customize apparel, keychains, and tumblers. And if you are not new here and a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to slice and weld this mom shirt like a pro. I will be going through it step by step, and I'll also have a link in the description box below if you're interested in this particular template. So let's go ahead and get started from where I got the template. So if you do not have Cricut Fabrica, I do not know what you're doing with your life, because Cricut Fabrica is where all the PNGs are at, and a lot of people are using it to customize their shirts and to upload like print on demand, things of that nature. But this is the PNG that I will be downloading. Now, I did not download the font. This font is not included inside of this PNG, just the mom. Now, you can always search for fonts and, whatever is suitable for the look that you're looking for, but I will go over the font that I'm going to be using today as well. Since I am on the monthly subscription, I don't have to pay for this. It's $9 a month. If you do the yearly access, it's around like $47 a year. So what you're going to do is you're going to download this first. It's going to be a file on your computer that you're going to have to extract. So let's go ahead and I'm just act like I downloaded. Click, I downloaded it. And so it's going to come into your downloads folder, and you're just going to extract it and upload it onto Cricut Design Space. If you do not know how to upload, you're just going to click upload over here, upload image. You see, I've already have the mom already there. And then it's going to take you to, back to your canvas. So what we're going to do first, now if you only just want one color for the mom, you would just leave the PNG exactly how it is and just make sure it's at basic cut, and just take it to whatever color you would like for it to print out. If you want the top of the mom and the bottom of the mom to be two totally different colors, you're going to have to slice it. So let's go ahead and do that first. So this is my example template. This is something I have to actually create on a shirt, so I'm not going to touch this right here. This is just here for an example of what we're doing today. So what we're going to do first, the easiest way that I typically would do it is I would click on shapes. I would grab a square. I would drag it over. Let's see. And I would just cover the bottom portion like that. I'll highlight everything, and I'm going to hit slice at the bottom. And it sliced it just like that. So what we're going to do is, we don't need this. We're going to delete that. And we don't need this, right? We don't need the blue part right here. We're going to delete that. Now we can add it as close as we would like, or I say about right there is good. Let's move it up just a little bit. Okay, and then we're going to take this and say you want the bottom to be, I don't know, orange, like that. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to create a text box. See, and we're just going to put a name in here. Let's say tan. Okay, and the font that I'll be using today is going to be called Saturday. I do have it saved in my bookmarks right here, Saturday. So I'm gonna just duplicate this multiple times, maybe make this a little bit bigger for you guys, like that. And then I'm going to just duplicate this name multiple times and give you an idea. So let's act like I have 4 children I have to do. Try to space this out evenly. It doesn't have to be perfect. This is just for example. So once you have all the names spaced out evenly, let's go ahead and move the tans out the way. Let's just do it like this. Come on. Move out the way. We're not going to do anything to the mom. We're going to leave it just like that, but we don't want it moving around. So I'm going to just put this up here, out the way. And so once we have the names spaced out evenly across the board, what we're going to do is we're going to create the heart shapes. Now you can go on Creative Fabrica and find the heart shape if you would like. I'm just going to use the one in Cricut Design Space, which is the same one I've been using on the shirts that I've been making. You're just going to size them accordingly. It can be whatever size you want. So I'm just going to stick with that right there. And we're just going to duplicate this a few more times and space them between the names. Like I said, this doesn't have to be perfect because I'm not going to be printing this, but something of this effect. Now, you can always add an EST, established by, like the first child that the person has, you know, had. In this case, her first child was Bruce, and he was born in 2005. That's just an extra touch if you would like to do that. You don't have to, but I just like that. Okay, so next we're going to do, we're going to leave the mom and everything the same. These right here, the names need to be welded. Now, once you weld the names, you cannot undo it once you save your work. You can undo it within the template that you're actively in, like if I weld it and go back. But once you save it and try to go, and it's not going to work. So what we're going to do is we're going to change these hearts. Let's say she wants the hearts to be maybe like I'm gonna say a white glitter, but I'm gonna just keep it a light gray just to kind of change it around a little bit. So let's say she wants a light gray for the hearts only. You're gonna select each heart. Excuse me. You're gonna select each heart and you're gonna weld. Combine, weld. Now they're all together. You're gonna do the same thing with the names. You're gonna combine and weld. All right, so now it should be 4 cuts. It should be one blue vinyl, orange vinyl, whatever vinyl you're gonna use for the names. I typically use white or black. So white vinyl and then whatever vinyl you want to use for the hearts. So I'm going to just, let me see, because I don't want this, it really doesn't matter how this is, it's going to cut separately. So I'm going to just take these out so I can show you how to adjust it on the Cricut mat. So we're going to hit make. And once you choose, it's saying I need a larger mat. So let me go back and make this a little bit smaller. Just for purposes here, okay? Okay, so whenever you do iron on vinyl, it's automatically based off of the Cricut setting you choose, it's automatically going to mirror the image. But since I don't want to keep going back and forth, I want to put all my vinyl on one sheet at one time and just keep clicking the play button. So the hearts, I'm going to put right here between 1 and 1. For the 2, I'm going to take that down and put it between 1 and 2. For 3, I'm gonna take that between 2 and 3, and then this one 3 and 4. So now I can go ahead and put all of my vinyl on my Cricut mat at one time, and I don't have to keep going back and cutting. So then we're gonna hit continue, and you're just gonna use the settings that's already preset for the Cricut. You don't have to do anything to it. You don't have to play around with the default settings. What you're going to click on is whatever vinyl you're using. For the glitter, I want the bomb to be glitter, so I'm going to click glitter vinyl. And see, it automatically goes into default mirroring, and then I'd keep the pressure the same. When it comes to like the words, I'm not doing glitter, I'm doing regular vinyl. I just gonna click iron on and keep the pressure the same. Every time the Cricut machine goes through one of the cuts, it's going to go from here to, you know, the second, third, the fourth. So the first one, just make sure you know the hearts. Okay, you want the hearts to be glitter, make sure you just click the settings accordingly. Number 2, I don't want that to be glitter, I'm gonna click iron on. Number 3, I do want to be glitter, glitter. Number 4, glitter, glitter. Okay, and then you're gonna click press go onto your Cricut. Then it's going to print out, and then I'm going to show you actually how to press it onto the shirts and the heat press settings. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go ahead and pre-press the shirt. I do have my heat press set to 302 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to go ahead and split the shirt in half so that we can have a nice crease down the middle, so we can center our vinyl accordingly. Next, go ahead and take the lint roller across your t-shirt just to make sure we have a clean canvas. Let's start placing the vinyl. So when you center the mom, make sure you have a nice space between the top and the bottom so that you can fit the names in between, because we're going to be pressing this separately. Now, if you want to press it together, you can. I just feel like it's easier to press it separately. So this is going to be a medium pressure for around 10 to 15 seconds. And a neat little trick is that marble cools down. So this is a marble coaster that I use to kind of cool down the vinyl so that I can peel it off faster. You can always purchase a cooling block as well. Next, I'm going to go ahead and place the names, and I'm going to keep it still at 302 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to press it for around 10 to 15 seconds. Medium pressure as well. Now this is a cool peel, so I'm going to make sure this cools down completely before I actually remove the plastic cover. Now I'm going to place the hearts in between the names. And I'm going to do another 10 to 15 seconds. And this is a warm peel. For the glitter, it's a warm peel. For the matte vinyl, the black, it's a cool peel. And that's it. It's done, and it came out so pretty. The glitter is popping, so I'm definitely going to leave the in the description box below the glitter that I use, the vinyl that I use. This vinyl, the black vinyl for the names, it was very hard to weave, but it still gave me great results. If you enjoyed this video and found it very helpful, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so you're notified when I upload my next video. And thank you so much again for watching, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video.